everyone, I've got some exciting news. We're partnering with AllPowers, and we're giving away an awesome piece of AllPowers gear. And unlike some YouTubers, no purchase is necessary to get into our contest. Now, one lucky winner is going to receive an AllPowers S300 Solar Generator kit, and that includes a 100-watt solar panel. This generator is perfect for RV trips or just charging your devices on the go. It's portable, eco-friendly, and it even has smart controls. Imagine having all that power at your fingertips. Now, I have two AllPowers units and I use them all the time. Now, how do you enter? It's super easy. If you're new here, just subscribe to the RVing with Joe YouTube channel and then leave a comment on this video saying that you subscribed. And if you're already part of the community, first of all, thank you very much for subscribing. Just leave a comment telling us that you're already a subscriber and then tell us something you like or don't like about the channel. We always love the feedback. Now remember, only one entry per person, so make it count. The contest starts March 16th and it runs until April 17th. Make sure to get your entry in before then. We're going to draw the winner on April 20th. It's important to note that while this contest is open worldwide, if you're in Alaska, you'll need to provide a shipping address either here in Canada or in the lower 48. For whatever reason, we're not able to get this thing shipped to Alaska. Sorry about that. The full rules are in the contest description. Make sure you read them. And subscribe, comment, and get busy living with RVing with Joe and AllPowers. Good luck, everyone. Hey everyone, my name is Joe. Let me introduce you to my channel. After 20 years of RVing, I love sharing and making different types of videos. Most popular is our RVs Gone Wild series, where we show some of the coolest and craziest RVs out there. We have amazing RVs, spectacular fails, and we always include some RV turducken videos and pictures. Lots of people submit links, pics, and videos, and you can send yours to rvingwithjoe@gmail.com. But the original reason I made this YouTube channel was to document my journey as one of the first buyers of the newly invented Ember Overland trailer, as I tackled both pavement and dirt across the United States and Canada. As a dual citizen, I can easily take advantage of what the two best countries in the world have to offer. I've been to the deserts of Utah and Arizona, including Valley of the Gods, Gooseneck State Park, and of course, Quartzsite, Arizona. From the eastern Rockies in Alberta to the farmlands of California, to the Green Mountains meeting the ocean at the Oregon coast, and even winter RVing deep in the Canadian snow, my wife and I love finding new adventures with our dogs and sharing these experiences with others. 25,000 kilometers later, and we have not begun to scratch the surface. There's a reason my channel's motto is, "Get busy living." I also make some commentary videos on current events, like the problems with homelessness in RVs, and how the challenges of tariffs and shifting politics affects the world of RVing. My most popular video on homelessness and RVing has over 400,000 views. So join the over 20,000 subscribers who enjoy RVing with Joe. I like to engage with folks directly in the comments, via email, and our Patreon supporters get the most direct contact with me and even help me with channel ideas. Heck, we even set up a gas fund at the suggestion of a subscriber if you want to help out with our next adventure. So join the channel, look out for our giveaways, and most importantly, get busy living.